counterfeit with you, just the thrill of it. Just for the thrill of it. Nothing counterfeit with you, just the thrill of it. Just for the thrill of it.
Hello everyone, welcome to Liberebil. We are at the launch of the new Ford Mustang. This is Tutuzeli, just walking past here into the shot. We are driving the 5-liter version today. My best friend, Mr. Zandre du Plessis, was invited, so he'll be my driving partner for the day. I'm not going to go too intense in this video, so I'll wait till I get the unit in Cape Town as per usual to get a more detailed, in-depth review. But what we're going to do now is I'm going to put a head cam on and I'm going to take you guys for a POV video of this car. Later on we're going to be doing top speed runs in the Mustang Bullet. Ford S.A. actually closed the road off for us to go and have some fun, so that's going to be also very interesting. The main thing we want to check with this car is how is rear end traction. The old one, I remember, actually caught me off guard quite a lot. I actually nearly got into trouble with the old one, whereas with this one it's going to be hopefully a lot better. So yeah, let's get on with this video. Okay guys, behind the wheel of the new Ford Mustang, Mr. Zandre du Plessis sitting next to me. I'll link his channel somewhere in the description below. I don't know much about this car yet. Ford didn't say too much. So I know the kilowatt is 331 kilowatt and about, I'm not too sure the torque number also as of yet, so we'll have to see. So we're gonna go Sport Plus. Put the foot down a bit. Gearbox. Okay guys, so Ford Mustang, initial impressions. I do like it. I think it's like wearing a big purple hat instead of a normal peak cap. I like it. In that sense of a sports car, I must say it's nice. I want to show you guys a fast start with this car and show you guys how incredibly fast this car is. So we're gonna go, yeah, we're gonna go into Sport Plus quickly, and then we're gonna just put our foot down here quickly. Let me show you guys, right? Okay. Touch the control. Third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. So yeah, this is an incredibly fast car. Let me get into the details of Mustang with you quickly. So for a while, or like for 2 or 3 months last year, I was kind of obsessed with these cars because I started seeing what they're capable of when you start modifying them. The Coyote engine in this motor is a little bit different to the motor that's in an older Mustang. So what they did was, I think they changed rods, the crank is somehow different, the head is a little bit different flowed. The result is at 331 kilowatt. Now with the supercharger upgrade on here, you can push these, you're looking well over the 1000 horsepower mark, and these Coyotes, they just grab the power up and they revel in it. The only issue with that big numbers of this car is the prop shaft. So this car has a carbon fiber prop shaft, and what that means is, with a normal prop shaft or maybe breaks and tears up and stuff, this prop shaft explodes. I think American Muscle did a Moy video on that with the car. Steering feel so far, I don't know. I've just done straight road, so I don't know what it's like. The suspension is okay, dampened. It does get a bit busier when you start pushing speed, but throttle pedal, it's naturally aspirated. So I mean, you just look at the throttle pedal, it jumps down a few gears and the thing bolts off. Very impressive. Michelin Pilot Sports, as per usual, fabulous tires, stunning compound, and really helps shove this car out of a hole. It's in drive now in normal D mode. If I put my foot down, it will be very fast to kick down. Yeah. Yeah, no, this is a beast. This is a beast. We're on our way back to the hotel now. Oh, it's another nice road, but oh, you can get to such stupid speed here. See. car. A very, very, very fast car. Holy hellfire. Right, that's enough fooling around for today.
Cause no one's got what we got.
Wait, I'll be right behind you and then go left.
Okay, cool.
Look how stunning this is. How does the short shift?
Not sitting. Okay.
Change your seat. Relax. Don't have to reverse now. Change your seat first.
What's that? Did you see?
No one's.
This car seat is different. Oh, it's Ricardo's.
Yeah, it's Ricardo's, bro.
Okay, no, but then I am sitting okay.
This wide angle is fucking beast, eh?
Dude.
Clean.
Okay. That's a close road, eh? 170, 180, 200. Steering wheel's getting a little bit light. Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. That was fantastic. It's got long ass gear
Your
ratios.
second gear was 120, bro. That was insane.
Yeah.
Second gear pulls like I haven't felt like torque like that in ages, bro. That was unreal.
Good morning. We are on our way to the Leopard Reserve?
Leopard, I think it's Leopard Creek, eh?
Leopard Creek.
Yes.
So basically Ford has this program that a wildlife program where they give Ford Rangers to different people in the conservation services, and those vehicles then get used to look after the different rhinos and things like that in the industry. So fantastic thing. The pricing for these vehicles was released last night, and the 5-liter GT we're looking at just over 913,000 rand. It is astonishing value
money,
for
bro.
what you're
The
getting.
package is
We were
unreal.
both talking about it, and we can't think of
Anything.
like, why would you want to buy another car at that
Exactly.
price? Because I mean, you're not going to get anything.
Anything with the closest
Go,
kilowatt.
go. Yeah, so this pass we're going through now, guys, is really nice, but it is actually being disturbed quite a bit by the roadworks. I come through here a lot when I come on holiday. It's a fabulous pass.
Too much fun, eh?
Not too much.
It's too much, bro.
Dude,
Dude, it's insane. Bro, and we're only doing 115 k's an hour. Isn't that much fun?
Not all the time.
No. Like, it does say 260 on there, doesn't it? It is crazy, man. It's stunning, though. This wide angle of yours is...
Yeah, but I'm really liking this car, man.
Yeah,
It
bro.
just feels so much more like the previous Mustang wasn't the previous 2.3 EcoBoost, the manual one. It wasn't such a good car. Like, I didn't like the gearbox, just didn't feel rightly mated to the engine. There was just a lot about it I didn't like. However, the tuning potential on the aftermarket scene was quite phenomenal with that engine. It made more power than some V8s did, but this new 10-speed gearbox coupled with this updated 213 kilowatt engine, I must say, I can actually say I can recommend the 2.3 now. Like,
Yeah.
like if you're someone who's not that into cars, but you want something cool to stand in the driveway,
Yeah.
like cool to take your daughter or your, you know, if you're
that's
a
not slow by
couple,
any means.
That's not slow by any means. Just to like to do normal things, or
Yeah.
to go out with, it's perfectly fine, and you're gonna get good fuel consumption as well.
Yeah.
So, no, but anyway, guys, so we're on our way to like the Leopards thing now. I'll talk to you guys over there. So
Okay.
yeah. And so has my time come to an end with the lovely Ford Mustang. Shot Mr. Duplessis for the assistance and the camera work here and there. Check out my video, and
Call me.
your video will be up on, when's your video going up? Monday. So I'll put a link to his video on this video, so you guys can check out the video.
Please do.
But yeah, this the 2.3D EcoBoost, really nice car. Enough power, enough grunt to get you going. The V8 is the way to go, but it depends what you want from
This is
your.
a happy car. That's a crazy car.
Yeah, it depends what you want from your Mustang. But yeah, I will be doing a full blown video when I get one later this year. So
BCBU, Liberebil.
I must say beef review.
You say it.
Yeah,
Say it.
beef review, Liberebil. You must say Liberebil out. We both say Liberebil out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay. Beef review, Liberebil.
Out. Sorry, I fucked. I'm not good. Okay, go.
Thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, share with your family. Beef review, Liberebil out.